This might come as a surprise, but I never really liked Peyaj Koli throughout my childhood. It was only when I started living in a hostel and the mess wale bhaiya would not make anything but just potatoes for every meal. That is when I realized that I really miss these winter greens. The green meaty onion stalks topped with charming clusters of tiny white flowers are one of the Bengal's most treasured winter greens. Peyaj Koli has that sweet, delicate sting which, despite of requiring very little work from the cook, has the ability to completely change the flavor of a meal because of its subtle allium notes, floral undertones and the texture. Often mistaken for spring onion greens or leaves, onion stalks are more substantial, fleshier and even take longer to cook. Still, they can have a slight crunch. In addition to being the storehouse of nutrients, they have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties as well. Like you can see, it's rather a very simple recipe and doesn't even require a lot of ingredients. And you can enjoy it with rotis, puris or parathas, anything that you like. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Konar Cooks.